Chapter 10 Introduction to Flash. Topics covered in this chapter: Start Adobe Flash, create a new Flash file, understand screen elements of Flash, save a Flash file, open a Flash file, identify Flash Tools panel, how to start Adobe Flash. There are following steps to start Adobe Flash. Step 1. Click Start button, all programs. Step 2. Click Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Creating a new Flash file. File menu. Flash file action CS3. Screen elements of Flash. Tools panel. Menu bar. Timeline panel. Title bar. Color palette. Work area. Title bar. It shows the name of file the currently opened. Stage. It is the white central part which shows the work done. Menu bar. It carries all the commands in Flash. Color palette. It has a variety of colors to work with. Work area. It is the place on both sides of the stage. Objects can be placed here till they are required to be displayed on the stage. Timeline panel. It controls the organized file content over time in layers and frames. Tools panel. It contains different tools to select from. Property inspector. It can organize and modify the properties of current selection. How to save a Flash file. Steps to save a Flash file are as follows. Step 1. File menu. Save. Step 2. File name. Save. Opening a Flash file. Click on the Open option in the File menu. Select the required file among the name displayed and click on the Open button. To exit, click on the Exit option in File menu. The program gets closed. Flash Tools panel. The Tools panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. Selection Painter, Free Transform, Pen tool, Line tool, Pencil, Ink bottle, Eyedropper, Hand, Stroke color, Fill color, Subselection, Lasso tool, Text, Rectangle, Brush, Painter bucket, Eraser, Zoom, Stroke color, Fill color. Property inspector. Fill color is the color on the inside of the object. Fill color, stroke color. Flash tools. Different types of tools available in Adobe are line tool. Step 1. Click on the line tool. Step 2. Select the stroke style, stroke color and stroke height from the property inspector. Step 3. Draw lines on the stage by dragging the mouse. Pencil tool. Pencil tool enables the user to draw lines in freeform style. It has three modes to select: smooth, strengthen and link. Steps to draw a freeform line are as follows. Step 1, pencil tool. Step 2, select pencil mode. Step 3, drag the mouse to draw. Rectangle tool. Rectangle tool enables the user to draw rectangles. There are few steps to draw a rectangle. Step 1, rectangle tool. Step 2, click here to required stroke color, stroke style and fill color on the property inspector. Step 3, drag the mouse to draw. Text tool. Text tool enables the user to add text. There are few steps to add text. Step 1, click text tool. Step 2, click here to change properties. Step 3, click and type text. Paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool enables the user to fill color inside an object. There are few steps to use paint bucket tool. Step 1, draw shape, click paint bucket tool. Step 2, click here to choose color. Step 3, click the shape to fill color. Brush tool. Brush tool enables the user to draw click stroke of lines. There are few steps to use brush tool. Step 1, click on the brush tool. Step 2, select brush size and shape. Step 3, drag the mouse to draw. Selection tool. Selection tool enables the user to make a selection on the draw object. It has two common modes, lasso tool and selection pointer tool. Lasso tool allows to select a freeform or irregular style. Selection pointer to allows rectangular shapes selection. Eraser tool. Eraser tool enables the user to erase the work done on the stage. There are few steps to erase anything. Step 1, click eraser tool. Step 2, drag the mouse to erase. Free transform tool. Free transform tool enables the user to distort, scale or rotate the object. It works in the following 4 ways: distort, scale. There are few steps to use free transform tool. Step 1, select the object and click on the free transform tool. Step 2, choose required option. Step 3, click and drag. There are few steps to free transform tool. Step 1, select object, click free from tool. Step 2, choose required option. Step 3, step 2, click and drag. Points to review. Flash is used to create animations. Property inspector is a window to view and change the properties of selected objects. Stage is the white rectangular area displayed in the center of the screen where work is done. Timeline panel controls the organized file content over time in layers and frames. Stroke style is the style of the stroke. Stroke height display the width of the stroke. Lasso tool allows to select in free-form or irregular style. Free transform tool works in the following 4 ways: destroke, scale, rotate and skew, envelope. Points to review. फ्लैश एनिमेशन बनाने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है। संपत्ति निरीक्षक चयनित वस्तुओं के गुणों को देखने और बदलने के लिए एक विंडो है। स्टेज स्क्रीन के सेंटर में प्रदर्शित व्हाइट आयताकार क्षेत्र हैं जहां काम किया जाता है। टाइमलाइन पैनल परतों और फ्रेम में संगठित फाइल सामग्री ओवर टाइम को नियंत्रित करता है। स्ट्रोक शैली स्ट्रोक की शैली है। स्ट्रोक की ऊंचाई स्ट्रोक की चौड़ाई को प्रदर्शित करती है। लासो टूल फ्री फॉर्म या अनियमित शैली में चयन करने की अनुमति देता है। निःशुल्क ट्रांसफॉर्म टूल निम्नलिखित 4 तरीकों से काम करता है, जैसे कि स्केल, रॉट और तिरछा, लिफाफा। एक्सरसाइज ए, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। 1. How many options are there in freeform tool? Answer 4. 2. Which one of the following is the outline color of an object? Answer stroke color. 3. What is the name of the tool used to draw lines on the stage? Answer line tool. 4. Which option of the following is used to organize and modify properties of the current selection? Answer property inspector. 5. Which one of the following is used to select in freeform or irregular style? Answer lasso tool. B. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. 1. True. 2. True. 3. False. 4. False. 5. True. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box shown below. 1 with, 2, 3 pencil tool, 4 commands.